Hey everyone, in this today's video, let us unbox the TWS which I had ordered from Amazon India during the Great Indian Festival. I used the SBI credit card and got a good offer on this product. I'll leave the links in the description below. If you like the TWS, you can go and purchase it. So without wasting any time, let's start the unboxing. Here we have the package. As usual, a great package from Apple. Let's tear the sticker to unbox it. This is just an unboxing video of this TWS. I'll come up with a video of setting up this TWS with the iPhone and my personal review on this product in a fortnight. Here we can see the MRP of the product. I got a very good discount on this product using SBI credit card. Now let us open the package. Here we have some paperwork. Let's keep it aside. Let us take a look of the main product. Here we have the TWS in white color. Inside the box we have got the charging cable along with some different sizes of ear tips. It's all typical white. We have got 3 different sizes of ear tips here: extra small, small and large. Inside the case there is a ear tip which is fixed on the TWS or medium size. This is the USB-C type 2 lightning cable. That's it. This is the content of the box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to VGS World and support the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.